Hello everyone, my name is Izzy Osoyos Munoz from Bachelor of Arts and Political Science 2B. The topic that I choose is Section 20 in Article 3. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of poll tax. What is debt? A money that borrowed for a certain period of time and to be returned with an interest. Most of us have encountered debt at some point. It is the quickest way of obtaining much needed money, but paying it back is probably the most difficult things to do. A lot of relationships break down because of unpaid debt, because the debtor failed to promise to pay the debt in exact way of time. Creditor cannot make the debtor in person because according to Section 20, Article 3 of 1987 Constitution, no person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of poll tax. Unsettled credit card debt are regarded only as a civil and not a criminal offense. According to CCAP, or the Credit Card Association of the Philippines, debt collectors are not supposed to threaten you or your property. A lot of them do this over the phone or text messages, email just to get riled up, scared, or panic enough you to pay. This provision of the 1987 Constitution protects people from being imprisoned simply because they are unable to pay their debt.